पाय कामाक वयता भुरगीं मायेचें बोट धरून चलपाक शिकता. पाय कामाक वयता भुरगीं ल्हानांतलीं व्हड जाता. इसार भुरग्यांक मोग चोड कोणाचो भुरगीं माय म्हणटा. पायन लिपोन लिपोन केलेले सॅक्रिफीस पाय एकलोच जाणा आसता. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. Birthday Christmas येता पाय तू आमकां नवे मोचे घेता. फेस्ता परबो येता पाय तू आमकां नवे कपडे घेता. पूण तू अजून आदलोच शर्ट घालून भोंवता.
Okay. Daddy is the sweetest daddy in the world. He lies. He lies about having a job. He lies about having money. He lies that he's not tired. He lies that he's not hungry. He lies that we have everything. He lies about his happiness.
बायलेन भांगराचो हार मागलो तू बायलेक भांगराचो हार घेता. भुरग्यांनी न्यू बायक मागली तू भुरग्यांक न्यू बायक घेता. पूण तू अजून आदलीच बायक घेवन भोंवता.
He lies because of me.
भुरग्यांच्या शिकपाक तू रिणां काडटा. भुरग्यांच्या काजराक तू रिणां काडटा. भुरगीं दुयेंत पडल्यार तू रिणां काडटा. रिणांनी बुडोवन सदांच तुज्या तोंडार हांसो कसो आसता. पाय कामाक वयता भुरगीं मायेचें बोट धरून चलपाक शिकता. पाय कामाक वयता भुरगीं ल्हानांतलीं व्हड जाता. इसार भुरग्यांक मोग चोड कोणाचो भुरगीं माय म्हणटा. पायन लिपोन लिपोन केलेले सॅक्रिफीस पाय एकलोच जाणा आसता. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success, or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us.